Guys, do you know Mrbeast actually have one of the highest rate of subscribers here on YouTube, and every year it makes up to $10 million per year, up to even more than that per year. Yes, Mrbeast, he started his career here on YouTube, and you can be like Mrbeast as well. Do you know that Mrbeast grew his subscribers up to this level by producing high quality videos that are relevant to people, entertaining quality videos? I know many of us new YouTubers right now cannot afford to shoot high quality videos, but whatever you're making, whatever video you're making, make sure it's relevant, make sure it's entertaining. Even if you don't have all the best equipment, make sure your video is entertaining and engaging, so that when people click on it, it will be interesting. People will want to watch it to the end. You can actually grow here on YouTube by watching and following many of the YouTubers that have succeeded a lot on this platform. Go to their channel, look at their videos, look at whatever they are doing. Okay, let's say Mrbeast is not in your niche. Maybe you have a different niche, let's say football or education. Go to the education channels. Look at all the people that are making it big in the education channel. Look at how they are creating their content, their thumbnails, their titles. Try and replicate some of those things in your channel. You will see that YouTube will keep pushing your videos to more of these people. So you cannot grow on YouTube without creating videos that are engaging, without creating videos that people will like, without creating videos that will be relevant to people. Because let's be honest, no one really knows you here. As a new YouTuber, no one really knows you. But if you're to talk about something that is relevant, something that is relatable to other people, like now I'm creating a video for you guys. People that are new YouTubers will be able to understand and relate to whatever I'm saying in my content. So once they click on my video, they will tend to watch the video to the end, because whatever I'm saying relates to them. Whatever I'm saying makes their work easy, makes their life easy, makes their YouTube grow. So they will want to watch it to the end. So one of the best ways to actually grow is to make sure you create engaging videos like Mrbeast, and encourage people to watch your video from the beginning to the end. Because if people watch your video from the start to the end, it then means that your video is relevant, your video is important. It will communicate to YouTube algorithm that, oh, these people are watching this person's video, that means the video is important. Let's push this video out there so that many other people will see it. Because they feel like if your subscribers are actually watching the video, they actually understand it, it means that other people out there will also enjoy the video. So that's why it is very good to have active and engaging subscribers that will engage with your video when it drops. So when you're trying to grow your YouTube, try to create content that will make people actually subscribe legitimately to your channel. Because when they subscribe legitimately to your channel, it means that they like your content, it means they value your content. So if you are able to watch your content from start to the finish, that will be very good for you. It will help you grow well on YouTube. So guys, go check out Mrbeast and see how he's creating wonderful, engaging videos that people are actually watching. Mrbeast started when he was just a child on YouTube. Yeah, he wasn't an adult. He started YouTube when he was a child, and now he has been able to grow his YouTube channel. His YouTube channel is one of the highest grossing YouTube channel here on YouTube platform, and he started from the scratch, just like you and I. Guys, you can actually be more than Mrbeast, but you actually need to put in effort. You need to be you need to put in effort, you need to be involved, you need to carry other people along, you need to make sure your video is what will make sense to a whole lot of people who will be watching your videos. And I know it's not easy as a new YouTuber. You're just starting out. Many of you don't really know what you're supposed to do. But one of the things that can help you grow is just to look around your niche. Look at what other people in your niche are doing. Just read through what they are doing, watch their videos, and you too will be able to replicate some of the things they are doing in their video in your own video. So make sure your video is relevant. Create quality content. Create content that provides value for other people, because it's not only about you. Okay, so once your content creates value for other people, then YouTube would definitely recommend your video. So make sure you share this video with other new YouTubers so that it will encourage them, motivate them to actually stand up and start producing quality, relevant video. Thank you for watching the video all the way through. I appreciate your time. I appreciate your patience. I hope you come back and check out my other videos in the future. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful day, and shout out to Mrbeast.